Alright, so let's get a little deeper into the first scenario that we have discussed, the customer master creation. Okay, we've got 10,000 customers here in our legacy system, and we want to bring them over to SAP. We're going to use LSMW, yes. We are going to use an import method in LSMW called a recording, right? And in order to do a recording, we have to understand how to actually do a transaction in the system. In this case, we are going to create these customers here in SAP. So we have to first understand how we can create a customer in the system. There are a couple of transactions, say FD01 or VD01 or XD01, but we're going to use the simplest of these, FD01, and create a customer in the system. Remember, I said a recording works like a parrot. You do it once and then give it to LSMW, and LSMW does it again and again and again with a different set of data, right? But you got to be able to do this recording at least once, right? So before we do the recording, let's just go and test this transaction. So how is this transaction going to look like? So we are going to fire up our SAP GUI, punch this transaction in, and create a customer. So we go to accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, master records, FD01. That's the transaction to create a customer master. So double click on it, and this little pop-up comes up. It says account group, and we're going to select the sole to party here, 0001. Sorry, 0001, and we're going to select a company code of 1000 and hit enter. Alright, so we are taken to this screen where there are a bunch of fields that we are supposed to fill in to create this customer. Let's say we create a customer called Walmart, so Walmart Inc. and a search term of Walmart. Don't worry if you don't know about this search term, doesn't matter. And the street address, I'm just giving some dummy address, okay? 1000 Denise Drive, and postal code 08820, and city is Edison, the country is US, and this region stands for state, so the region is New Jersey, and the transportation zone is Eastern. Okay, we are done here, and we need these tabs here. No, we're not interested in filling up these tabs. Control data, payment transactions, marketing, blah blah blah. We don't need any of that stuff. And then we move on to the company code data. So click on the company code data, and over here we're not interested in filling up any of the rest of the tabs, just this one tab called account management, and just this one key or field over here called the recon account. Okay, select it and then click some recon account here. Trade receivables domestic, let's say 140000, and we are done here. Just save this guy. Now if you don't understand what's a recon account, that's fine. We are not trying to study the different fields in the customer master here. We just want to create this transaction and just understand what are the different fields that we are giving as inputs to create this transaction. Alright, our customer master is created. Okay, so we have created a customer master manually in the system using FD01. Now let me put things in perspective here. We've got a whole bunch of customers here, 10,000 of them, and we know how to create these customers individually in the system, like how we have created it in the system using FD01, but we have to create 10,000 of them, right? That's where we are going to take the help of LSMW. We are going to teach LSMW how to create a customer using FD01 and ask LSMW to take this bunch of customers and create them in the system automatically using FD01 10,000 times. That's it. It's as simple as that. Now, how we do it? What data format are we going to choose, and what structures we are going to create, and so on. We're going to learn in the next step.